released a couple of new products. We've entered in a bigger way into the cover crop market. So we offer a cover crop machine that fits on the Hagie STS frame. We also just rolled out our 2208 is a twin bin style cover crop machine as well. So we have really kind of jumped in with both feet into the cover crop market. That's a big market entry for us. Second half 2019 looks good. It was soft the first half, but the conversations we're having with our customers, our dealer customers, and also with the end user, the growers out there, is a lot more positive in the last 30 days. So we're looking for a good finish to this year. So it is the ideas that are shared around the tables, the information that gets shared from the podium up there, the interaction with the dealers. So because we're manufacturers, many of these customers in here are the dealers in here are our customers as well. So we get to get a perspective from them on just the dealership struggles that they have, but also the successes that they have. So we really gain a lot from spending time with those guys. We entered into the Generation 2 model strip till rigs. We've actually been developing it now for a number of years, but it's we finally integrated all the controller options and all so many different things. So we really are pleased with rotor row accuracy in there. The quality kind of encompasses a lot of different things. When we talk about quality, we talk about a 3-year warranty that we do. We talk about the fact that we're built for fertilizer and not just for seed, but for fertilizer. And so we're really pleased to just bring that product to market and offer it to our customers. It's been performing fantastic, and will continue to probably lead sales for us. We're working on a number of different fronts for cover crop. We're working with some of our OEs who are building cover crop machines, and we're putting our units that we're building, the 2208. We're currently developing a micro bin that will be used for cover crop and for micronutrients. And then we're also doing some other things with OEs. We're working with Dawn Equipment on another project with them. So yeah, we're really busy on that side of it, and cover crop plays a big part in that. My first experience here was actually, I started day one of my time with Montag came here. I probably enjoy this conference, meaning Dealer Minds, and then Strip Till Conference following that, probably as much as anything. It's just a time where we can actually come and learn, and we're not talking to farmers and growers all day every day. At Dealer Minds, we're talking to dealers who are looking for solutions, and we get to kind of see what they're wanting and how they're wanting it, and try to figure out where they want to go with their business and how we can fit into that. So it's been a really good learning, actually, more than anything, learning proposition for us to come here. You know, I would encourage anybody that hasn't been here to come here. This is a good place for both managers of people in the dealerships, but also sales guys to come and learn from a group of other salesmen and managers, and see that actually we're not alone in our day-to-day jobs, and actually some of our struggles that we have. These guys are all dealing with the same things we are, and I really encourage people to come to this seminar.